What's up, motherfucker? Pull up! You ain't gonna do shit! Fuck up!
Are you ready?
I am W.
And I'm Kayla P.
And this is my world. And today is Video
Trio Saturday.
We had 3 videos that we lined up and it just works out. Now, normally we do this on a Saturday. Sometimes it's upload on Sunday morning.
Mm-hmm.
But it's been a pretty rough week. I've been sick. She been lazy. It's been cold.
Yeah.
So.
No. No.
Anyway.
Because the shadow.
No. Alright, so anyway, we're going to show 4 videos today. What we have here is a cat who's tired of socializing. And she's like, fuck this shit, I'm out. I told y'all I ain't feel like being petted. Y'all keep bothering me. That TV too loud. I'm just trying to get some sleep.
Petted.
I got a lot of things to do in the morning, like attack the mail that comes in every single day.
I'm having a sleepover upstairs if anybody's going to come.
You are surely invited.
So,
And for this video, what we have here is a boy who is clearly on punishment.
I don't see how y'all keep saying your punishment.
That's a little kid.
It's not a little, that's a grown-ass dude.
No.
He got to be high because he's mopping outside. I think this video is for like.
How you think this?
I think like, okay, they was just like, what would you do? You know the little memes, they be like, you know, if you smoke this,
What
you know
happened?
what would you do? Yeah.
No.
I feel like that's what that video.
To
was
me,
for.
what that video was all about was his mom told him that you got all F's, or we should at the parent-teacher conference, and he's clearly failing all his classes. She said, you know what? Go mop the driveway and see what it feels like to be living out on the street.
Wait, what? No. I'm living out on the street. No. All right, no. I don't get it. Anyways.
Trying to move on to our next video. All right. First of all, I still believe I'm right about the dude mopping on the ground. You know, he was on punishment. She believed whatever she want to believe. But now we're about to go into these next 2 videos, which are animal release videos that went horribly wrong.
Horribly.
But, you know, nature takes its course. So let's go with the first one. And now.
Don't walk in the bubbles.
We gotta let Kermit go so we can find his mommy. This is the
You gonna put him out in the grass or?
There's a bunny Kermit.
baby we've been feeding for a week. I don't wanna let him go, but everybody else does. So. Where's your mommy?
What, it moving?
Right. He's like, I'm free.
Great, that girl's office was on 10.
I'm out this year.
And life takes its course.
He was waiting too. He was wondering when they was gonna let that rabbit go.
You're like, all right, baby girl. So this is what happens when nature takes its course. Don't be alarmed. This is normal. All right, now we're about to go into our
next video.
Our last video.
Last but not least.
All right, so let's get started. Let's go.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
Even more upset than she do.
It's so cute, wasn't it? It's so cute.
No, you can tell a man named that squirrel Hoss. It's a man name. He must have nursed back to him. That's wonderful.
There you go.
You know, nature being scary again. I love how they put this in slow motion though. Ooh. Tom was being a dick. That's not Jerry, Tom.
Yes, he was.
That was not Jerry, but close enough.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so this is the end of our video.
Thanks for watching.
You can say trio.
Oh, I'm
It's
sorry.
been a rough week, y'all.
Trio.
Saturday. It's been a rough week, y'all.
Thanks for watching, and we're gonna try to,
get ourselves together.
yeah.
This is sad. All right, so peace.